Hey guys, today we're going to go over double spacing in Word 2016. It's pretty simple to do nowadays on the new versions of Word. All you need to do is find the area of the text you want to change the spacing of, and right up here in the paragraph section there is a selection called line and paragraph spacing. If you go ahead and click on that, 1.0, that's basic line spacing, that's regular spacing. You have slightly higher spacing at 1.15, 1.5, and you can see the document change in real time as you hover over it. And then you obviously have 2 for double spacing, 3 for triple spacing. So just click on the one you want and you're good to go. That simple. We really do these videos for you guys, so if you like it, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment below, let us know what you like, let us know what you don't like, and let us know what videos you think we should do next. Thanks guys.